Portable welding table, easy setup. Okay, breaks down just like that. This is how many pieces are in it, and it sets up just as easy. Super easy, super light, super transportable welding table. I fabricated this one for a small project here around my dad's house. Why? Because I got tired of working on the ground. If you work on the ground all day long, your back's gonna talk to you and it's not gonna say nice things. But this welding table is perfect for me. I'm 6'2". It's about 3'0.5" off the ground. Solid, light gauge construction, 2-inch 16 gauge metal. The inserts on the legs are 1.5" with 1/8" sides on it. You guys can see that, so fill in the gap and make it a little bit more snug. Yeah, guys. Make yourself a portable welding table. It only took about an hour to build. Breaks down in seconds. It goes up even quicker. And beats working on the ground. Check that out. What do you guys think? Keep it light. Let me know what's up. Bye.